Yeah, it happened earlier than expected. In fact, we were waiting for the index to actually get into a phase of correction. But then on the upside, when Reliance started to participate, we changed our stance from 21,700. That was the benchmark or the key breakout level. The moment the index managed to break past about those levels, we were just waiting for the momentum to accelerate. Now, interestingly, in the last, I think 4 or 5 months, September is where we hit that 20,000 mark. When that happened for the index paused for a couple of weeks. I think one and a half odd week, 7 odd trading sessions is where the index paused at the 20,000 levels. We hit 21,000 mark in the month of December. And I think over there also the index took a pause for 5 or 6 trading sessions before we managed to move up higher. So that generally is a phenomena which happens at round strikes because they become hub as key strikes where option writers take a lot of position. Now, interestingly, yesterday we saw some rise in the open interest for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty futures. Now, if we manage to surpass yesterday's high and say scale up by 0.5% more, then we could probably attribute that these are long built up. But if the index manages to doesn't sustain about the yesterday's high by a margin of 0.5%, then we could be looking at the index going into a bit of consolidation. So net, my view is that over the next couple of days, like what we've seen over the two previous breakouts of round digit marks, we could be getting into a phase of consolidation.
Nooresh, hi morning. Would IT continue to power the indexes?
So I think one by one, once the results are done, we generally see some bit of a pause in the names which have seen a big gap up or a gap down. So the major results are getting done, and we'll continue to see result-based action on IT. That's generally been the case in an earnings season for IT names. But the interesting part is the fact that banks could get interesting because still, if you look at the heavyweights like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak, as well as SBI, none of them have actually made a move. We've gone to 22,000 on the Nifty. We are yet to go to 50,000 on the Bank Nifty. We are yet to see a major move. So banks could be the place which could be next in terms of taking leadership.